guys, welcome back to Facetone. So in this video I will be showing you how an agent can make an outbound call. So first of all, what he has to do is initialize his phone by clicking on the phone icon. So after the phone is initialized, you get this notification, and then the agent has to register with the call task, and he has to select outbound from the two modes. So when you click on outbound, as you can see, you get this phone panel to enter the phone number. So unless outbound is selected, the agent will not be able to make outbound calls. And here to enter the phone number. In this case, my case, I will be entering my custom simulation phone number over here, and when you click on call, you get the call. This is my customer's simulated phone, and I get the call to that. So as you saw, as the call is being made, if it's a registered customer profile, the profile also will be display. So after answering the call, the customer and the agent will be connected. The agent will be able to mute, put the customer on hold, or disconnect the call. And the agent will also be able to transfer the call. Transfer call feature will be in another video. The link will be down over here. So that's it from this video, guys. Thank you. See you in the next one.